This is Raji. In this video, let us learn how to save the log file execution details into a file. So, to do this process, first open the Data Factory. Click on Launch Studio. Azure Data Factory will be opened. Now, open the Author mode. So, here, let us create a data flow. So, in this data flow, in log pipeline execution details means we need the details like data factory name, pipeline name, status, run ID, trigger ID. This will be the details we need to get in this log pipeline execution details. So let us create this as parameters. So let me name this as ADF. So whatever the details we need, let us give this as parameters. First ADF name, next pipeline name, status, run ID, trigger name. So here let us add the source. So for this I have a file name in Azure Data. Here I have only single details like data. So let me add this details as input dataset. So I am adding a source. So I have already created the dataset for data. So or else let us create new Azure Blob Storage. Click continue. Delimited text continue. So let this name as data1. Linked services. Select the linked service. Let us select the path. Sample folder. Input. Data. Click OK and click OK. So we have added the dataset. Now what we will do is we will connect this to derived column. Here in the derived column, here let us add the columns. So instead of adding in parameters, now let us add here, add the column names as ADF name, so enter the expression as from parameters ADF name, click save and finish, and again add another column name as pipeline name, status, add column as status, enter the expression as status, Save and finish. Next add another column as run ID. Run ID. Next column as trigger name. We are adding these columns. Save and finish. These are the columns we needed. Now minimize this and add this to select. So here let us select the columns. Go to inspect. Here this column is not necessary. Go to select settings and this column is not necessary. Just delete this column. Minimize this. And let us give this output to. So that is why we need to add a source with one single column. So by adding this source, so we have deleted that column in here. In derived column we added new columns, that is our necessary columns for log details. Next we have deleted that column. Now let us add this to sync. So let us create new dataset for sync. Azure Blob Storage, continue, continue, out, link service. So here I want these details. I want these details in a directory called log. Select the import schema as none. Click OK. So now let us create a new pipeline for this. So let us name this pipeline as log1. Go to pipeline, create new pipeline, select the data flow. Here select the data flow log1. No, and under parameters we need to add the parameter details. So ADF value as pipeline expression variable. So let us first validate this and publish all these four. So we have to provide the values. System variables. First we need data factory name. Click OK. And pipeline name as pipeline name. Status as status. String. it should be success. Success. So this should be the output for the status. Click OK. Run ID. Click OK. Trigger name. Trigger name. Click OK. Now publish all for. Now, so debug this one. So if you go here under home, in storage account, under container, in samples, a folder should appear as log and the data should be saved there. So it is in still progress. So wait again. Here I forgot one thing. Here under settings, yes, output to a single file under log. So I want output to a single file under log. So we have to let me debug this one once again. So see under log, it should be saved as log. Let me refresh again. So see here you can see the ADF name, pipeline name, status details, run ID and trigger name, all the details. You can see all the details here. So like this, you can save the log pipeline execution details in a file in this way. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.